Hey there guys, Abner here, back with another unboxing, and today we would be playing with the Funko Pops from the Raditz and Vegeta Saga. So here are our Funko Pops from the Raditz and the Vegeta Saga. This is Raditz, this is Nappa, and this of course is Prince Vegeta. So after those details from the box of our Funko Pops, you know what time it is, right? We now deep dive and meet our Funko Pops closer. Okay, so here are our Funko Pops for today. Let's go with Raditz first. So this here is Raditz number 616. Raditz is the main antagonist on the first episodes of Dragon Ball Z. Raditz is also called Raditz the Runt. He is a mid-class Saiyan warrior, and he is the biological brother of Goku, which in Dragon Ball Z terms is our hero or our protagonist. And Raditz is the eldest son of Bardock, the father of our protagonist, which is Goku. Raditz is one of the living, full-blooded Saiyans. So Saiyans have left their home world when it was destroyed. And Raditz is one of the warriors of the Frieza force. So Raditz really just went to Earth to seek out his brother Goku so he can recruit him to join the Frieza force. So that's background story for Raditz. That is a cool hair right there. That's the coolest one. I mean, aside from maybe Brody or Trunks, this is a very cool head of hair on Raditz right here. Of course, if you see the head, there's that Geiger counter, which these Saiyans use to figure out how much power force one is carrying. Maybe another warrior, so much like Goku and Raditz. And Raditz is sporting the normal Saiyan armor right there. As you can see, the brown and white leather-like armor right there. Of course, black on the chest part right there. And some black on the shoe. And Raditz is on a power stance and ready to maybe release an energy ball or a laser right there. Look at his hands. So much like when Goku powers up and fires a Kamehameha, right? Great details on the hands. There's a red band on his arms right there, and as well on his left arm and left leg. There's a red band right there. And that is the normal Saiyan shoes. Still, if you're familiar with some older episodes, all the other Saiyans also wear these shoes right here. And that ping-pong like shorts or pants right here, part of the armor. That's how it looks like. And of course, you know what's wrapped around there, right? That is their tail right there on their waist. The great details. On the back, you would just see all his hair. Maybe a shot of his butt right there. So let's say PG, okay? Wow, great hair. So that is Raditz right there, or Raditz the Run. So this one is Nappa. Nappa is really a general in the Saiyan army back in the Saiyan world or home world before it was destroyed. So he is a general among the army of Saiyans. He is also a partner to Prince Vegeta prior to the destruction of their homeworld, and he is an aide or a partner to Prince Vegeta after their race has been eradicated. He, along with Raditz and Vegeta, are all members of the Frieza Force. So this is General Nappa. As you can see, he is much like Ririn. He's bald, doesn't have hair. A shiny top right there. Wow. Those are really pronounced eyebrows, right? With some mustache to go with it. And of course, the Geiger counter. This is where he scanned Goku on before the fight. The Geiger counter exploded because it couldn't contain the power Goku is wielding. So that's the Geiger counter right there from Nappa. Again, this is the normal armor he's wearing, normal armor for Saiyans. So although his is much lighter in shade compared to Raditz, seems to be in a fighting stance, judging by his fists. And you can also see the tail wrap around his waist. Again, the three-pronged shorts slash pants slash armor right there, and the normal Saiyan shoes. On the back, pretty much this bald head, the Saiyan armor, and that's a little bit of the tail wrap around the waist right there. And again, a shot of his butt, stay PG, and some of his legs right there. So that is the back of the shoes. So that is General Nappa for you right here. So this is Prince Vegeta, number 10. So we all know him as an anti-Goku, right? So he's always in a competition with Goku on who's the most powerful in terms of the Saiyan race. Perfect. Prince Vegeta first was seen on Earth with Nappa when they came in, when Raditz was defeated. It was a remarkable entrance because then we have seen their circle spaceship, you would say. So that's what they used to enter Earth. And they're also looking for Goku, just like Raditz. That is why they have encountered Goku and the Z Fighters right there on the battlefield. Vegeta's character, as we know, evolved from being a villain to anti-villain and then to a hero, as he also, by the end, has been part of Goku's family and also fights along with Goku, fight other bad villains. So from villain to anti-villain, and then he was a hero, and of course the husband of Bulma and the father of Trunks. So he has a spike of a hair on him right there, and that's a great line of eyebrows with a circular eyes. Perfect. Really pronounced. He also has the Geiger counter. That stands on his arms right there. the royalty stance, I would say. And he's not wearing the normal Saiyan armor because he's a prince after all. So he has a combination of yellow, white, and blue in terms of the color of the armor that he's wearing. Still the three-pronged armor down there, and he has this wider shoulder armor right there, color yellow, and still the tail of the Saiyan right there, wrapped around the waist. This is not the normal Saiyan footwear that we see from other Saiyans, also not from Raditz or Nappa. So this is all white. On the back of Prince Vegeta, more of his hair right there, the wide shoulder armor, that part of the tail wrapped around the waist, butt shot right there, and that is Prince Vegeta. Okay, so in terms of measurements, Raditz right here, that is 11.5 cm right there. For Nappa, that's 10 cm right there, but that is really bizarre because in the series, Nappa is really the biggest one. He's easily the bigger character than Raditz or Prince Vegeta. But yeah, we're dealing with Funko Pops here, so for Vegeta, along with the hair. So see, since we are measuring it from the tip of the hair, Vegeta is 12 centimeters. So he is way taller than the both of them. He's the tallest one because he has a spike up hair. For weight, we're going to be using still our digital scale right here, and we'll be using grams. For Raditz, 115.4 grams. For Nappa, or General Nappa, right? 102 grams. Prince Vegeta, he's the lightest, 67.7 grams. So there you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of these Funko Pops from the Raditz and Vegeta Saga. So by now you should have gotten some Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop figures, right? So which Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop figures do you have in your collection? Please comment it down below, okay? So do not forget that we are still in our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. For more info on that, click the link here and on our video description. So there you go guys, do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click on the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Funko Pop reviews or other normal videos that we upload. Also follow us on our social media links right here. Well, that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.
いい試合になりそうだな。